Athens, Greece. AP, Greece's dominant Aegean Airlines says it has signed a €5 billion $5.8 billion deal with Airbus to buy up to 42 new A320neo passenger aircraft. Aegean chairman Eftichios Vassilakis said the company will be buying 30 to 42 planes in an investment necessary to expand competitiveness and serve more and longer destinations. He said Friday that Aegean will also invest €30 million to build a new training center at Athens Airport, in cooperation with Airbus. Aegean was founded 19 years ago and serves 150 destinations in 44 countries. The A320neo planes are designed to provide 15% fuel savings and have reduced emission and noise levels. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.